Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to join Cat's Airdrop on Telegram and how to earn Cat's coins. And after that you will be able to withdraw it. So now you want to go ahead to your Telegram and find this Cat's bot. And you want to type start and then play now. After that, this mini app will open up. After that, you will see all of these tasks which you can complete and then get cats. So for example, if you would make a ton transaction, you would get 2,000 cats. Again, if you would join some type of token airdrop, you get 100 cats, and so on and so forth. As you can see, join OKX news channel, get 30 USDT with OKX and cats, join some communities, join YouTube, and so on and so forth. As you can see, there's a lot of tasks you can complete and then get free cats. If you would invite like 5 friends, you would get 500 cats. So you can also share your link somewhere and invite your friends. You also need to connect your BitGet wallet. So you want to go ahead and click complete. Now, once you will connect your BitGet wallet, you will get 200 cats, and so on and so forth. So basically, you complete all of these tasks, and after some time, they will do a withdrawal too. So we have to wait. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.